What Ad Solutions is actually Instagram offering? Are you ready to engage with the newest online advertising solution wave? Instagram is giving everyone the chance to become photographers through its unique features for photo editing. Many brand owners are now taking advantage of the great opportunity to give their customers behind-the-scenes looks at their offered products and services. Whether you have a small or big business, global advertising on Instagram is now possible. Therefore, you can share your story with a vastly engaged audience through an artistic, profound environment and get responsive action to your ads. It is time for you to take advantage of a wide-ranging audience with the latest effective advertising solution for your business, which will bring you real-time advertisement results. Through this ad solution, you are increasing the awareness of Instagram users for your products and services. Exposing your brand will help make your audience aware of your brand, especially if you have a creative promotion. Your audience will be more interested if your advertisement has a catchy caption and appealing look. As you already know, Instagram can significantly help boost your advertisement strategy by turning your brand into a sought-after topic in the online world. Instagram ad formats. If you want your brand to have a profound and higher range of ad solutions, then Instagram will show you what great advertisement is all about. Through their photo, video, and carousel ads, your advertisement ideas and strategies will not limit your creativity. These 3 advertisement formats will support all of your desired results and give you the opportunity to leverage your online presence where everything seems boundless. Inventive photo ads. Bring out your creative prowess with photo ads. You can freely put your soul into your images and tell the stories behind them. Your audience will be more interested to have your products or services if you have an attractive yet simple piece in your post. This is your chance to give your brand a new look, and Instagram will help you achieve an inspiring, interesting, beautiful, and effective canvas. High-quality video ads. If you wanted your advertisement to be more visually attention-grabbing, then video ads will show you how. With the similar insightful quality of photo ads, your advertisement through video will be more alive. Feed your audience's spirit with engaging views, sounds, and motion of video advertisements, where you can share up to 60 seconds of video in the landscape format. Videos will now be one of your important ingredients to create successful promo ads. Efficient carousel ads. Give your ads multiple opportunities for more traffic on your website. Carousel ads will introduce you to a better means of advancing your brand. There will be notable audience engagement for your ads as compared to static posts. Carousel ads will bring your photo ads to a higher level of advertisement range, so your viewers can swipe left or right to see additional images. Then, the call to action button will lead them to your website to learn more about your offers. Now, it is clear that Instagram will provide you with ad solutions for an enjoyable, attractive, and effective photo and video advertisement medium. Also, Instagram will help you locate which of your ads will appropriately be placed, so you can be confident that your target audience will be reached accordingly. Through this, your effort will not be wasted and your advertisement will be on the right track. Instagram advertisement objectives. Of course, whenever you create an advertisement, you are always expecting great results. But how can Instagram ad solutions help you achieve your expected results? It's simple. Through the following objectives, you are ensured that your brand will experience a different level of success and popularity. I'll show you those objectives and where you can set up every one of those campaigns that is inside of the Facebook Ads Creation Dashboard. But all of these campaigns will be run as Instagram ads. Boosting your posts. With the page post engagement objective, you'll be able to get more people to see and engage with your page posts. Increasing brand awareness. With the brand awareness objective, you'll be able to reach people more likely to pay attention to your ads and increase awareness for your brand. Increasing your reach. With the reach objective, you'll be able to show your ad to the maximum number of people. Choose this objective if you'd like to show your ad to the largest audience for your budget. Sending people to a destination on or off Facebook. With the link clicks objective, you'll be able to send people to the store where they can purchase your app. Getting installs of your app. With the app installs objective, you'll be able to get more people to see and engage with your page posts. Getting video views. With the video views objective, you'll be able to promote videos that show behind-the-scenes footage, product launches, or customer stories to raise awareness about your brand. Increasing conversions on your website. With the website conversions objective, you'll be able to get people to take valuable actions on your website, such as watching a demo or purchasing a product. Use the Facebook Pixel feature to measure and optimize ads for conversions. Promoting a product catalog. With the product catalog sales objective, you'll be able to create ads that automatically show products from your product catalog based on your target audience. There you have it. As you can see, only 8 of the 14 advertising objectives Facebook actually offers are optimized for Instagram, and we'll show you how to set up every one of them step by step.